How to transfer Webmoney to Binance. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to transfer any funds that you have from Webmoney head straight into your Binance account. The first is open up your preferred web browser and head straight into web.money and make sure that you're logged in into your Webmoney account. From here, just have to click this boxes right here and then choose on cryptocurrency. Now from cryptocurrency, you can choose either WMT USDT or the WMX Bitcoin, either of those two. And from here, you just need to buy USDT. Once you're on that page, just go into your Binance account, make sure that you're logged in, and all you need from your Binance account is your payment address or your wallet address. You just have to go into settings and then choose on payment address, copy it, and go back to WebMoney, paste it here, and it will automatically be transferred into your Binance account. And that is how you transfer web money to Binance.